Hi everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your friendly neighborhood channel. Today we're diving into the Trailhead project, create an automation with Flow Builder, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's teach your org to do the heavy lifting for you. What you'll learn. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to build a reusable email template, wire that template into an email alert, craft a record-triggered flow that fires only for large accounts, and finally prove your handiwork works as advertised. Screenshots or it didn't happen, right? Our fictional company, Ursa Major Solar, wants to make sure its biggest customers get VIP treatment. We'll notify superstar agent Ada Balewa whenever a new case appears for any whale-size account. To make that happen, we need 3 ingredients: an email template, an email alert, and a flow. Let's get cooking. Part 1. Build the template and alert. Start in service setup. In the quick find box, type classic email templates, then click new template. Select text, choose next, and name the template notification of new case for large account. Save the template in the unfiled public classic email templates folder, select the available for use checkbox, and set the subject line to new case. Account name. For the message body, enter. This is a notification that a new case was created for its account name. Please review the details below: case origin, case reason, case type, case product. Click Save to finish. Your email template is now ready to use. Still in service setup, look up email alerts and click new email alert. Describe it as email alert notifying support agents of new case at large account. Tie it to the case object and select the template you just built. For recipients, pick the user type, add Ada Balewa to selected recipients, and pop your own email into additional emails so you'll see the alert when it fires. Use current user as the from address, hit save, and you now have the ammo will load into our automation cannon. Part 2, craft the flow. Switch to full setup, find flows, and click new flow. Choose start from scratch, select a record triggered flow, and pick case as the object. Set it to run when a record is created, leave condition requirements at none, and optimize for actions and related records. On the canvas, add a decision element called large account. This element branches the flow into yes or no paths. For the yes branch, set 2 OR conditions. The account's annual revenue must be greater than or equal to 20 million, and employees must be at least 5. Leave the default. No outcome untouched. Now, on the yes path, add an action and choose Send Email Alert. Select the alert you created earlier, label the action Notification of Case for Large Account, and set Record ID to the current case ID. Save your flow with a clear label, Notification, Case for Large Account. Add a helpful description and click Activate. Remember, inactive flows just sit there looking pretty. Part 3. Test your work. Open the Service app, head to Accounts, and pull up United Oil and Gas Corporation, a bona fide large account with revenue over 20 million and more than 5,000 employees. In the Related tab, click New under Cases. Select Product Support as the record type and fill in realistic details: type, problem, reason, breakdown, status, new, origin, phone, subject, charge controllers replacement. And for the description, the charge controllers are not working and need to be replaced. Don't forget to choose the charge controllers product, then hit save. Well done. You're fully set up. Key takeaways. While you head back to Trailhead to verify your steps, templates keep messaging consistent, email alerts point that template at the right people, record triggered flows deliver low-code, high-impact automation, and decision elements let you branch logic without writing a single line of Apex. If this walkthrough saved you time, or maybe just spared you a headache, smash that like button, share your questions or success stories in the comments, and hit subscribe so you never miss another bite-sized lesson from the Declarative Academy. Thanks for watching, keep those flows firing, and until next time, happy trailblazing.